Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 648. Here we see the worn original rubber bushings that have been removed, and the new PSB polyurethane bushings ready to be installed. Remove all the original bushings out of the subframe and clean the housings out thoroughly. Lubricate the bushing as well as the outer part of the sleeve before installing. Insert the lower as well as the upper part of the bushings first. Once that is done, then you can insert the metal sleeve. Ensure that the PSB bushing with the center circle and the metal sleeve with the locating ridge are facing upwards towards the vehicle. Place the original metal support washer above the bushing and press the bushing into the circular metal housing. Use all original hardware including bolts when reassembling the subframe to the car. Our bushing is now installed. Thank you for viewing. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We will regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.